Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to epoxy a garage floor. The average cost for a professionally installed epoxy garage floor typically falls between $3 and $12 per square foot. For a standard two-car garage, you can expect professional installation to range from $1,000 to $3,000, though higher-end systems can reach $5,500. This comprehensive cost usually covers thorough surface preparation, the application of quality epoxy materials, and a durable protective topcoat. Several key factors influence the final cost of your epoxy garage floor. Naturally, the size of your garage is a primary determinant, as larger spaces demand more materials and labor. The specific type of epoxy chosen, whether it's a basic solid color or a more elaborate metallic or flake system, also plays a significant role in material expenses. Furthermore, the condition of your existing concrete and the necessary surface preparation, such as grinding or patching, can add $1 to $3 per square foot to the project. Any custom designs or anti-slip additives will also increase the price. When considering an epoxy garage floor, you have two main options: do-it-yourself or professional installation. DIY epoxy kits for a two-car garage usually cost between $100 and $600, offering a budget-friendly approach. However, professional installation for the same size garage typically ranges from $1,000 to $3,000. While DIY can save on labor, it demands significant time and effort for proper surface preparation and application. Professionals, on the other hand, bring expertise, specialized equipment, and often provide warranties, ensuring a high-quality, long-lasting finish. Investing in an epoxy garage floor offers significant long-term value. With proper care and maintenance, a professionally installed epoxy floor can easily last between 10 and 20 years, with some even lasting 20 years or more. This durable coating creates a stain-resistant and easy-to-clean surface, protecting your concrete from spills and wear. Routine maintenance is simple, usually requiring just sweeping and occasional cleaning with mild soap and water. Ultimately, an epoxy floor enhances your garage appearance and functionality, potentially increasing your home's overall value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.